हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू अनदर फॉर्म फिलिंग वीडियो. एज यू ऑल नो, फ्लीट मैनेजमेंट ने अपने फॉर्म रिलीज कर दिए हैं फॉर अगस्त 2025 बैच DNS. And in today's video, we'll see how you have to fill that form step by step so you don't make any kind of mistake. Let's start with it. First of all, आपको अपने किसी ब्राउज़र पे आ जाना है and you have to type Fleet Management DNS Sponsorship Form and you click on enter and this would be your website. यहाँ पे internal notice करके लिखा होगा. You can just click on it. And the first thing which you'll see is some details about fleet, and here is also the minimum eligibility which you must cross to fill the form. And then you start the form by clicking here, which is click here to register. You click on click here to register, and these are some basic questions. Like first of all, you have to go with the second one, which is I have not done pre-C training and I'm looking for sponsorship in a pre-C course. You click on this. And after that, have you passed your class 12th and have 12th mark sheet? You again click on yes, and then you have to first of all type your first name. And one thing guys, that all the things which are in the blue, like this one, these are compulsory and the other are not, so you can fill according to you. Then after that, your last name, your date of birth, then you have to select your height and your weight. After that, you have to type in your place of birth, which can be any, either a city or district, and then place of birth, the state, then your first mobile number, and then your alternate mobile number. After that, your email address, and then your alternate email address, then your permanent home address. And after that, you have to fill your class 10th details, like first of all your board. If you don't have your board in these all of these, then you can just type it here in this section. And then the year of passing, which again depends on you, and the name of the school, then your English marks of your 10th, your science, and your mathematics. After that, your class 12th details, again it's the same, your board first, your year of passing, and your name of school or college. Then you have to select your whatever marks you gained in all these subjects in your 12th. And after that, if you have given that TOEFL English test, then you can just type your marks here. But most of you, I assume you have not, then you can just leave it, it's not mandatory. And after that, if you have appeared for JEE, or if you haven't, you can just click on yes or no. And then your preferred institute, which is right now IMI only, and your center of your selection test center, which is two options you have. You can just click on whatever which is near to you, then your gender, and finally you can just type the captcha code. So guys, after all this, you can just click on submit, and this is how you fill your form. And so right now this is all about the form. After this, you might be getting an email on your registered email where you will have the further information. And that was all about the video for today. I hope you liked the video. Thank you.
Do you guys want the updates regarding the exam forms or the maritime industry in general? या फिर एग्जाम्स के लिए मोटिवेशन चाहिए, then you definitely need to follow our Instagram channel for all this stuff and much more.
Want the best notes and material for IMUCET and sponsorship exams? Want daily quizzes? Or do you want your doubts about your merchant navy career solved by our mentors? Search Budding Mariners on Telegram or click on the link in the description below to start your mariner journey with us today.